Hello everyone, this is Neha here and you're watching Health Grooming Lifestyle. Guys, in today's video we are going to see an asana which will help in curing your irregular periods. This asana will not only help in curing irregular periods, apart from this, if you are having your pelvic region muscles gets weakened, or if you are facing any issue related to your spinal cord, liver, kidneys, if you are suffering from any urinary disorders like urinary incontinence, which are very common among females, both the males and females, if you are facing from any kind of reproductive issues, that can also be cured if you practice this asana regularly. This asana is known as shashank Bhujangasana or known as the striking Cobra Pose. शशांक भुजंग आसना में आपको शशांक आसना और भुजंग आसना इन दोनों के लाभ एक साथ प्राप्त होते हैं, because the simultaneous action of the flexing of the spinal cord takes place. Your muscles, the abdominal muscles as well as the pelvic muscles, both gets massaged. So this what happens, the blood flow started increasing in this area and all the issues regarding this area, pelvic area, will get resolved. This asana will also be helpful for those mothers who are in their postnatal recovery. If you have weak abdomen, your lower back region is gets very painful while you are doing daily work, then you need to practice this asana. Guys, this asana I would say is a dynamic pose, a kind of cardiovascular exercise, sort of a cardiovascular exercise which will really help. I would say in 1 month you can see the results, because I do it daily, so it's my practical experience. So you will see how to do this asana, but before that, if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe it and don't forget to hit the all notification bell icon, because if you are pressing the all notification bell icon, then you will get all the latest notifications regarding this channel. So guys, without any further delay, let's start the video. So guys, first you need to come in Marjorie Asana or the cat's pose. This is how the cat's pose is done. You can see this is the cat's pose or the Marjorie Asana. Now you have to slowly lower down your buttocks onto the heels, exhaling, and just come into shashank asana. This is known as a child's pose. Now we have to come into Bhujangasana. Please listen to me very carefully while doing the process. The process in between while coming into Bhujangasana and the Shashankasana is very important. Your both the arms should be stretched and should be in one place. It should not change there. Like here I am putting my hand, like doing this and doing. So arms should be at the proper place without changing their position. So raising your buttocks and slowly sliding down your chest until unless it comes parallel to your arms. And now sliding it down and raising your head and just feeling like as a snake sliding onto the floor, and then be in this position. Your pelvic region should be touched to the ground and your arms should be straight. Exhaling, be in this position or hold your breath for some time and just look upward. Be in this position for some time. Arch your back as much as possible, and please don't strain yourself to be in this position. While I've showed you the process, don't strain yourself. Now you have to just raise the buttocks and again come into the Marjorie Asana, the Shashankasana. Now this is how this asana being done, and I think it's very interesting to do this. Guys, this asana will help in curing the stiffness of the back also. If you practice this asana, at least you have to do 5 to 10 rounds daily. अगर आप इतना कर सकते हैं तो करिए, otherwise you can do at least 3 to 4 rounds. इतना तो minimum होना ही चाहिए if you want your pelvic region get strengthened. Now the issues related to pelvic region, menstrual disorders, liver, kidney dysfunction, or any kind of issues which are related to our lifestyle, most of the time what happens, if you are having a good diet, you are doing exercise, you are doing everything, but the incorrect way leads to such kind of problems. In fact, I have gone through this, so I applied these asanas and I have seen the results. Especially among women, what happens doing their daily chores and having stale food in their meals and not sleeping properly, even the sleeplessness kind of thing which happens in our daily life, these problems especially related to menstruation occurs, because what happens if you are not sleeping properly, your hormones will not get balanced, and the whole system gets hodgepodge and you are not able to understand what is happening actually to my body, and you are getting irregular periods, you are having related urinary incontinence kind of issues, बार बार पेशाब उतरना, ऐसी चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा देखने को मिलती है. But don't worry, you have to work on the root cause and just be patient. Apply this asana on your daily basis. You can see the result around 1 month. क्योंकि कोई चीज़ धीरे धीरे ख़राब नहीं होती, it will take time. Similarly, if you want to recover or if you want the solution, then solution has to be applied slowly and gradually, और फिर result भी धीरे धीरे आता है. सो बी पेशेंट एंड बिलीव इन गॉड, आपकी हेल्थ भी अच्छी रहेगी. एक और बात की, ज़्यादा इंटेंस वर्कआउट अगर आप करते हैं, लाइक आई हैव डन, सो आई न्यू हाउ आई वाज सफरिंग. इस वक्त अगर आपकी नींद अच्छे से पूरी नहीं होती है, अगर आप स्ट्रेस से गुजर रहे हैं, यू माइट नॉट बी ईटिंग द वे यू वर ईटिंग बिफोर, all these kind of things they come up and all these issues started occurring. And one more thing which I forgot to tell you is while doing this asana, just concentrate on your Manipura chakra. मणिपुरा पे नहीं कर सकते तो स्वादिष्ठान या मूलाधार चक्र पे तो ज़रूर कीजिए, बिकॉज आप इस रीजन को फोकस कर रहे हैं, इसको ठीक करना चाहते हैं, स्पाइनल कॉर्ड को ठीक करना चाहते हैं. यानी जो हमारा मेरुदंड होता है, हमारा जो स्पाइनल कॉर्ड होता है, वो ना उस स्टिफनेस लिए हुआ होता है, मतलब कड़ापन आ जाता है, उसमें जकड़न आती है, तो उसको भी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी प्रदान करेगा ये आसन. सो ये सब करने के लिए हमारा जो मूलाधार चक्र होता है उसको ठीक ठाक रखना, उस पर कंसंट्रेशन बनाए रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है, सो दैट यहाँ का जितना एरिया है वो और ज़्यादा एक्टिवेट हो जाए और ठीक से काम कर सके. इन कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेशंस आई वुड से दैट दोज वर सफरिंग फ्रॉम स्लिप डिस्क, hernia or any kind of disease related to your stomach, abdominal pain you are having, or if you are in your pregnancy period, don't attempt this asana. You can attempt this asana in postnatal recovery period. Not at this time we need to focus कि हमारा जो slip disc वाला जो issue है या कुछ भी ऐसी spinal cord related कोई भी issue, even if you are suffering from high blood pressure or any kind of thing, kept in mind. और अगर सर्जरी हुई है लेटेस्ट तो बिल्कुल भी मत करें इस एरिया में, इस बात का ध्यान रखना है. एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू डू दिस आसना, प्लीज़ कंसल्ट योर फिजिशियन बिफोर अटेम्प्ट दिस आसना. Guys, you can also follow me on Instagram, on Twitter, as well as on Facebook. I got my IDs and the links are being given in the description. You can visit them. And there are other videos available on yoga asanas. You can watch them. Do share this video with other people who are suffering from any kind of issues so that they can also get benefited. Okay guys, I will meet you in the next video with something innovative. Till then, bye bye and love you all.